That is what I shot yesterday. The time is now 5:30 in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I had to wake up. 1 second, just put this down. So I had to wake up like really early to start editing because I have a lot happening today. And yeah, good morning to you guys. Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. You actually wake up early, like 2 hours early, and you're still running late. I don't know how it happens, it just does. 7 degrees. I forgot my mask, so I had to run up, and now I'm running back down. The light stand is still here. 7 degrees. Oh my god. That's the bus, I gotta catch it. And yeah. That is a long way up. I don't think I've traveled a metro these many times in such a short span of time. It's interesting, I'm getting used to it though. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a massive monument. So I'm here at the Hyde Park today, and I'm here to shoot a portfolio for a sports personality, and I'm on time. I made it here I think about 10 minutes in advance. Model's on her way, and I'm just going to go inside, take a look around and set things up. So it's now about 8:30 in the morning and it is still 8 degrees. What is up with this place? It is cold. Oh, by the way, absolutely beautiful place to be in. The thing with most dogs here is they never leave their master's side. It's like somebody took a USB port, plugged it into them and said, this is what you have to do, and installed it into their brain. And the lift is still under repair. Good afternoon, everybody. It is 16 degrees and it makes it much nicer to be outside. And there is sunlight as well. I'm happy, very happy.
Who knew we would say we wanted sunlight like this?
Morning when I woke up, it was 6 degrees, then it was 7 degrees. By the time I reached the bus stop, my hands were frozen, I couldn't feel, my face was all numb. This is how life is meant to be.
Bus has come?
Yep. Excuse me. Bus is here.
Glyn Road.
And we're back at the Westfield Mall. After how many days, Bobby?
2 weeks?
2 weeks? Feels like such a long time. We missed you. That is one massive building. Okay, so we have been avoiding the mall on purpose, but today we had to come over here to open up our bank accounts. We have just received information that we needed to open up a bank account, so that's what's happening here today. I love his job right now. It is so yummy. Check that out. And then there is so much more. Those juices. And we picked up a full bird. So in case you're wondering how much filling is going to be inside that wrap, all you have to do is look up and you get to see the roll. Yummy. This is the Octa that I brought from Chennai when I was coming here, and some of these rods have gotten bent because of the packaging, so just left it a little open to maybe regain a little shape. Hopefully it does. Okay, so a little bit of an update on the banking situation over here. Now we did go to a bank. We asked them what papers they needed. They needed three main documents. One is your passport, your visa, that is number one. Number two is your BRP, which we also have. Now both these are absolutely no problem. Now the third is where it gets a little tricky. You need to have an address proof. Now to have an address proof, you need to be a local resident. Now to be a local resident, people that are renting out a house to you want a bank statement. So then everything goes into a proper rabbit hole. It just comes tumbling down. So we are still trying to figure that out, but apart from that, everything is absolutely divine. Morning was cold. I did get to see a little bit of Hyde Park. Looking forward to seeing a lot more of it. The monuments and the structures over there were like absolutely crazy. But so far, so good. I'll see you guys soon.